Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and I've got something very special to show you today. So in this video, we're going to be doing a review of our multi-trend uGenesys indicator. So this is our very own premium indicator, which is very great for beginners and highly accurate, alright? And in this video, I'll be using the MT4 platform, and we'll be working with the GBP USD chart with a 4-hour time frame, okay? So let me give you a quick breakdown of what we're going to be doing today. So first, I'll show you how to add the indicator to the chart. And next, we're going to look at the key features of this indicator. And then finally, we'll focus in particular on how we can identify trends, alright? So in order to add the indicator to the chart, we're going to go ahead to Insert and Indicators and Custom. And here's the one we want, our uGenesys multi-trend. Hit OK. So this is what the indicator looks like when you add it to the chart. Let's start over here first and take a look at this section. So right here you see where it says session. Usually it will tell you which session you're in, but currently at recording this video the market has closed, alright? So that's why it's not being displayed at this moment. But right here is the key feature I want to show you, the master trend. So we can see it has the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour and 4-hour time frames here, and it shows you the overall trend that the market is going in. So right now we see that these 3 time frames are showing down and the 4-hour is showing up, but we want to go with for the overall trend, whatever we have for the majority. So if we have 3 or more of these showing the same thing, that is the overall trend. Alright, so right now we have 3 showing down, so the overall trend of the market is down. Okay, and remember, to get this indicator you can click the link in the description. And then let's look over here now. We can identify the intra trends, alright, within the market. So we can see here we have alerts. We have buy alerts in blue, and red indicates the sell alerts, alright? And whenever we see this section of the market in blue here, this indicates our uptrend, and when we see the sections in red, that indicates the downtrend, alright? These are the intra trends, but bear in mind the overall market is going down, okay? So you can take a look at the start of this trend right here. You can see we have this bullish alert right here, and our market is going up, and it has gone up. If you take a look here, it's gone up by approximately 200 pips in this case here, okay? So we see here, and if you take a look at this section, you can see also the beginning of this downtrend, okay? You see this bearish alert right here, okay? And this is approximately another 200 pip movement downwards, okay? So you can see this indicator is very great for telling exactly when a trend starts and when it ends. And you will also see the beginning of a new trend and where that trend ends, and so on and so forth, okay? So it's great for identifying just where the trends are, okay? So this has just been a basic overview of the features of our uGenesys trend indicator. So stay tuned and we'll show you more about this indicator in upcoming videos and different charts and time frames as well, alright? And remember to click on the link in the description to get this indicator, okay? But thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.